My people, now sorry for that interruption just now. I beg now call center the phone. I beg let's go back and start again. Madam, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What will be your name?
My name is Sweet Otakbolo.
Okay, where you from come?
I come from Yokoro.
I beg my people, men are not versed on our call center that this way interrupt the phone. So I beg men are not versed on that interruption. So, Madam, what will be your name?
My name is Mrs. Joy.
What about you? It gets some matter where they happen for Ogiso on the 4th. Where they trend everywhere for Facebook, say one woman carry one girl go river. He carry reach the river, the woman not bring the girl come back again. And many of our people for diaspora and Nigeria, they ask why, what happen, how this matter they happen. Many allegations don't see they say so now so police chop money, now so they bribe police there, now so they bribe police there. So we want more to tell the world and Nigeria in diaspora and Nigeria in Africa, what really happened on the 4th of January 2021. So now we, Chris Media Group, say we want to find out what really happened for that on the 4th. So, Madam, what happened on that the 4th? I beg, very comprehensive. Tell us what happened on the 4th.
On the 4th, when I go my friend place on the 3rd, now go my friend out.
Who be your friend? What will be her name?
Sandra Iyore Asemuta. That be her name.
Okay.
So I go her house, I go visit her on the 3rd, now go visit her. So that on the 4th, I lie down for a parlor. One of our visitors still come to.
You don't ever go that place before?
No, this was my first time.
To visit where?
Ogiso area.
Okay. I bet Madam wait to this Victory. Where did they talk? So you know her before?
I don't know her before. What even make me go that Ogiso that on the 3rd? Because my friend children do Christmas and New Year for my house. So the mother I promised her say after Christmas and New Year, I will still come with my children. Now make me go that area. I don't know anybody for that area before. Now only that my friend.
So they say the way they talk the matter, they say you carry gallon from Aduawa, one go fresh water for Ogiso River. Any true day there?
I get well from my house. Why I go carry gallon from Aduawa? All the way from Aduawa, I'll carry gallon one go fresh water for Ogiso River.
So continue what happened on that before.
That day, that one I lie down for parlor where my friend Sandra Iyore Asemuta call me say in the years for discussion for outside about my children and our children. Say they want go swim for the river. Say ma go cut their cars.
Sorry, now the Sandra so now born the Victory.
No, now born Precious.
Okay, now your mother now be Sandra so. Okay, which number of picking you be for a hand?
10.
Okay, now you be the woman 3rd child. Okay, no worry, we are coming back to you.
So when I come outside, I don't meet my children. So I call rush wear my shirt and my knicker. Then this woman there outside, won't tell this woman say me show me the road to the river. So the woman come carry me go.
So Madam, sorry. I bet pet your baby. I bet put on that make you baby play. Madam, really now you go show this woman the river?
Now me go show and saying they look for her children.
Now you go show on the river.
Yes.
Not be the Victory can and go the river.
Not be Victory can and go river.
You know this woman before?
No.
When be the first time to see this woman?
Nah, that on Monday.
On Monday. Okay. But you tell me now say now on the 3rd, which is also the night you go to the house. You see her that day?
I go birthday.
Okay, not go birthday. Okay, Madam, so continue.
Carry your baby. So when she carry me go the river road, that's where they go. I meet my children, Christabel and Mercy, and Rachel and Precious, close to the river. Then I hold Christabel and Mercy, say mo go back house.
Madam, speak louder, please.
I say mo go back house. So Christabel and Mercy say, no, Mom, we want to see the river. So I follow the reach close to the river.
What be that Christabel and Mercy so?
And my children, 10 years and 8 years old.
Okay.
So when we reach the river, other children, they play already inside the water. There are 4 children. They're inside the water. Aboki, they pick iron close to the river. The fisherman, they one side of the river like this. the fish for inside canoe. Then my children.
Sorry, madam, you said that 4 people that come to the river.
Yeah.
How many boys and how many girls? Is that 4 people?
3 boys and 1 girl.
Okay.
So my children call, they beg me, say, mommy, let us bathe small now. Then I hold their hands close to the side of the river. Then they bath like this. The next thing, without they come out more already, they go out. Now I hear shout. My sister, help, my sister. As I hear the shout.
Who they shout so?
Now one boy, the boy they struggle to come outside. He they shout. As I turn, now I say now one boy they shout, help. You see they shout, my sister, he come make sure the girl name, Victory. Now everybody tell rush, you can't see the person in hand.
You know the Victory before?
I don't know her. And my papa don't know, my mama don't know me, I don't know them before.
Okay.
That was my first time.
Okay.
So when the shout attract us, we rush to the boy, we see the person in hand. Now I shout, hey, I broke it, the drop better inside water. Fisherman turn the boat from the other side with another person for a boat for back. They rush, go. Me run, follow the edge of the corner of the river. So they go, they come back. As they come, I see the shout. Where the girl? They say they no see him again. Then we take the shout, they come. Before we shout, they come. The brother don't pick craze. They go as I mean, carry my children. All of us call the shout, they go because I never see that kind of thing for my life. The thing shocked me. I begin to shout, they cry. Then we call the chorus. As we reach house, we come, they say people don't date my friend. I say I had my friend that apart. Hey, what did happen? I say, see what I experienced now. I never see this kind of thing for my life before. One boy they shout, sister. Before people go rescue, I mean shout, they don't see the girl again. So now my friend, everybody both they come rush go. As when they come back, when they come back close to my friend house, now the man attack me and my daughter. They attack me and my daughter. The rest children, everybody scatter. They say, madam, you carry your children. Do not fear. I say, I don't even know your pick. I don't know them before. But the shout when your one boy shout, now make me call you the shout for rescue. May they go rescue this girl come out. But they go come back. They say they don't see the girl. Now it start to they beat me. They beat me. I don't carry a pick. Go do rituals for river. I say, I don't know you before. You know me before.
You know priest, river priestess.
Not be river priestess.
With the year say you carry white gallon go that river. How true is that?
White gallon, I no carry white gallon. What I want use white gallon go to do for river? My children I rush, run follow. Eh?
So when I come this house, so they come they beat you.
They come they beat me, tie my leg, see the mark. They tie my leg, tie my hand, tie my daughter, put tie around our neck, say they want bonus. Say they want bonus for rescue of the police. Not to reach SCG. From SCG to States, I spent 4 days since I say.
Okay.
This woman and baby.
Okay.
With my friend where I go see.
Okay, wait.
My 2 phones, they beat
Madam,
me.
wait. Madam, Mama baby. What will be your involvement on this matter?
They say me go show Madam Sweet road.
To the river?
Yes.
So not be the Victory can go to the river?
No.
Okay, your involvement on this matter is to go show her road to the river to go meet the children.
Yes.
So for the what can happen when I reach the river?
Now we don't already meet those children for the river. Not be we carry them go. Now Madam Sweet say you want to go carry in your children. So the children come they say, mommy, let us play slow. So then she come they close to the river. The next thing now we hear shout, hey, help, my sister, we don't see hands. And then Madam Sweet come they shout. One aboki man jump enter inside the river. Now one fisherman, because he come fisherman, he can't still go. He find him, he not see him. He can't go back to us. Of course, go back to the river again. As we dey come, now the man they start to dey beat Madam Sweet with his daughter. Say now Madam Sweet use the key to do ritual.
What you make you feel say that man called the bitter?
I don't know what to make am.
The first girl quarrel?
No.
Your landlady when she come greet, and these people they not fair they play.
They play.
So what you can call that connection when they call the bitter?
No. Say you rescue your children.
because the man they talk now say na in Peking, na I go show Madam Sweet the river. They arrest you because this mother say now you go show Madam Sweet the river. Which one I come one made the whole world believe now?
The one where the whole world want believe we say now me go show Madam Sweet the road to the river, not the victory.
Okay, your involvement now for this matter say now you go show on the river.
Yes.
That means they call your name for inside this matter. That means they tell you your baby.
My baby, yes, for 4 days.
Okay, good. So my sister, how you dey? I best sit out. What will be your name? The Chancellor Mota. So what will be your involvement for this matter? Who born you? Who be this matter to you?
My sister, my mommy friend.
Okay, that your mommy friend. Waiting, who just she come on the house?
On the 3rd of January
On
on Sunday.
Sunday. So she they told us something affect their house during Christmas and New Year. How true is that?
Yes.
What happened from on the 3rd to the river? I better tell the whole world me the year.
On the 3rd of January, this woman come to
You know,
us
see where back
where I go to their house for Christmas and New Year for there. On the 3rd, you can't come our house on the 3rd of January. So on the 4th of January, I think they're going to say they want to go because then I go shoot them the river. I can go shoot them the river. So as we go, because say Mama Naomi and the switch now come to us for road to say the man to say we dey go river. Say yes, say we dey go river. Say me go check on the river then we dey go because they go river. Me and Stas because of how come we go the river. Now they come to us because this something you go inside the river, Victory and the imam.
You know this Victory before?
Yes.
How you take? No, I take they close to you.
Just our neighbor, see their house, see our house.
Okay, now I be neighbor for the same Ogiso there.
Yes.
Okay, now I too come greet you now.
Yes.
Okay. So how many of them did that river before now come? How many of them are coming for the river that day?
Now 4.
4 of them.
And there, 2 imam and Victory and Efe. 4 of them for the river.
Okay. So what can happen for that river? How they take? What happen when I say people dey shout about that city, how that place? When I talk at that place, talk how that place be.
That place come all activity and sister Ben and Mercy. They come to jump on side of the river. Because you're my sister and treasure, because they jump on side of the river. Mama now because she back at the river, she not enter the river, but we just side of the river. You know say because they hear sharp, we want to do more the go because they hear sharp. Now because they my sister. Some people come to fish and me and one boki, make them go rescue the we are boki your jump on the river. I come with the find again, not see the yeah. So if Shabby come to come back, because they do not see the then we come to the go out because they shot the go out. Oh God, some say people gather for our house. They say that people they do ritual.
So just like that. So I beg, tell the whole world the truth, because not anything what they do for this life. There's God at the end. There's God at the end. Tell the whole world the truth. Who carried that victory? Go river.
My brother come for them, but not be really get.
Not Bunaga come out.
No, not be really follow go the river.
Okay, who go show Madam Sweet the river?
Mama Naomi.
That mama baby.
Yes.
So not be the victory carry Madam Sweet go river. So as the riches, what you gonna make that man come the beat Madam Sweet?
Say you pikin for ritual. Say if you rescue the rest, why not you rescue pikin? Say use am for ritual. Say the rest one, pikin no come out. Or they talk say use am for ritual.
Wait, that the victory house, their victory house now. The victory where they find, so their house. Is they close to that river?
No.
I'm
10th Street.
10th Street to the river, but at the same Ogiso there.
Yes.
Okay, that to say that the same environment with the river.
Yes.
Okay. What do people want to know? Because the man they say, the girl father they say, now Sweet carry the children go river. Say the children go show Sweet the river. This mama baby, they arrest am now. Since how many days? Say she to the statement say that she go show Sweet a river when the children don't come on. How true be that one?
Yes, but she go show us river. They come meet us for road.
They come meet, okay, the mama baby and Sweet come meet una for road. Where you and your sister they go river. Yes. So they come go river, come meet all those other one for river. Yes. Are you telling the world the truth? Because anything you are saying today, you are on live camera, everybody is seeing you. God Almighty is watching you. If you decide to lie to cover a crime, one day the truth must come out. So I beg, are you telling the world the truth? Because many sympathetic people don't take this girl father matter. Because we're not going to use one side here matter. That's why Christian media say no. Make it look for the other parties. Make them see here for their mouths. My people, all of you can hear from the people that are involved. You can hear from their mouths now what really transpired on the river that day. We are not judging. We just want to give the second party the chance to air their own view. So please, my people, on the comment section, share your thought on it. Let's see how we can do our survey and know where to start from. So thank you, my people, for watching. Thank you. God bless you. This is Crystal Media. We are always there for you to give you the right information at the right time. So this is the other party that are involved in Victory's case. We are heard from them. So it's not for us to analyze the statement and what is on ground of state CID and what the father is alleging. Thank you, my people. Thank you, those people in the diaspora. Thank you, those people in Nigeria. We thank you, people. We thank you all. Thank you.
I agree the general public. Now me, Obasuyi Muslim, the father to the missing child, the only daughter I have, Victory Obasuyi. On Monday, I was in my house when I heard my wife asking Mama Jennifer, my neighbor, and my backyard, Mrs. Asemota, that where is my daughter Victory and her daughter that they used to play together. She told my wife that my daughter had followed her visitor that came from all the way from Aduwawa to come and visit him, and her two daughters to Ikboba to go and visit her friend. My wife was trying to quarrel with her, and I told my wife to leave her. Maybe she did not know when they left. Not quite 30 minutes. My last born, great. Look at the last born. My last born overhead them.
That is the great last born. My
last born over this the immediate younger brother to the missing girl. Then he ran to the house and said that, Daddy, I heard them saying in the Mama Jennifer's parlor that Victory is inside the river. I and the mother and other people will quickly shout and rush to the river. Before we got to the river, nobody was shouting on the road. Nobody even said anything that somebody fell in the river. Then we got to the river. We did not even see anybody in the river. All I know that the people my daughter followed to the river was that woman that came to visit my neighbor at the backyard. And they never came back with my daughter. How they do my daughter now, I don't know. Where they keep my daughter now, I don't know. 11 years old girl. Please, I am begging the general public and the AIG of police of Edo State to please to help me to find out what happened to my daughter. Because the police at the state CID at me, named Inspector Victor Edohem, is trying to jeopardize the case by threatening my life that he will turn the case against me and send me to prison. And my wife will bite her hand. He even took my phone and knocked it on the ground. So I want the general public and everybody in the world to intervene into this matter.
If I might pick you, people will go fear me, help me. Because now my neighbor, I can carry picking. If friend will say come for Bob, and I can carry.
That is the mother of the busy child.
That's the picking now. I don't see picking. I don't know where they put picking. They don't jump or don't go river. They don't divers don't enter river. They don't check river. They check everywhere. They say picking on day. May they go ask the woman and the gang when they carry my picking go river. May they go ask them where they put picking. May they go ask them. May they me ask them because we go station. As we reach station, police say they the station they appeal. He said maybe we come outside. He said maybe he said won't beat my husband. He won't put my husband for sale. He said my boy go jail my husband. He said go beat my husband. He said me wait they me. He said me never see case. He said me never see case. He said me go back my hand for this case. He said me never see anything. He won't pursue me come outside. The people will commit the crime. The women will commit the crime. Both the husband or the woman, all of them consider for inside office. They give them chair they sit down. They buy ever water. They buy can water. They give them they drink. Me will get picking when not see people. The
government should come to the rescue.
The should be come outside. It doesn't come outside. It doesn't people come outside.
The problem we are facing here, this happened in Ogiso. A missing child of 11 years old named Victory Obasuyi. That is the father, that is the mother. That is the first child in the back of his father.
best man.
Since on Monday, the police not going to
Since that time, they never go investigate.
Ever since the incident, no intervene by the police.
May they help me. May they help me ask them. Where they put my picking. If they die for sorry farm. Help me people where they live. Where you gonna check the river? They say may they ask them there. May they ask them where they put picking. They say picking no they deliver. May they help me ask them. I they beg government. I they beg government. May they help me. May they help me. May they help me ask them where they put my picking. May they be my
The only daughter?
Because the woman tell me, the woman when my neighbor tell me, he said my pikin not die. He said at this station when they arrest them, so then my pikin want to come out. He said I would they not arrest them. He said my pikin for not come out. That means the guy waiting.